Venture beyond the basics and unleash the true power of Deepseek with this in-depth guide to its advanced functionalities. Today, we're diving deep into how to leverage Deepseek for your most complex challenges, transforming it from a helpful tool into a powerhouse assistant. Our first step is understanding how Deepseek handles intricate tasks. This goes beyond simple questions. We'll explore how to structure prompts to guide Deepseek through multi-stage reasoning processes. Think of it as architecting your requests. Start with the overarching goal, then progressively add context, constraints, and specific desiderata to refine the output. This iterative refinement is key. Next, we'll tackle performance optimization for demanding applications, understanding how Deepseek processes information and how to influence that processing can be a game-changer. This often involves exploring the advanced configuration settings available. We'll demonstrate how subtle adjustments to parameters can significantly impact the speed and quality of Deepseek's responses for your specific use case. For developers, integrating Deepseek seamlessly into existing workflows is paramount. We'll touch upon the techniques for effectively integrating Deepseek's capabilities into your applications and services. This involves understanding its API endpoints and how to programmatically harness its advanced features, allowing for dynamic and responsive AI-powered solutions. By mastering these advanced techniques, you can unlock Deepseek's full potential, enabling you to tackle unprecedented problems and innovate faster than ever before. So, are you ready to go from user to master? Let's dive in and elevate your Deepseek experience.